Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. In Python, a generator function allows you to create an iterator iteratively using the yield keyword. To get one value at a time from a generator function, you can use the next function. This tutorial will guide you through the process with a code example. Generator functions in Python are a concise way to create iterators. They allow you to iterate over a potentially large set of data without loading the entire dataset into memory. The yield keyword is used to produce a series of values, one at a time, during each call to the generator function. Let's start by creating a simple generator function that generates a sequence of numbers up to a given limit. In this example, number_generator is a generator function that yields numbers from 0 to limit 1. To get values from the generator one at a time, you can use the next function. Here's an example. In this example, we create a generator object my_generator by calling number_generator 5. Then, we use the next function to get values from the generator one at a time. Each call to next advances the generator to the next yield statement. It's important to note that when the generator is exhausted, i.e., no more values to yield, the stop iteration exception is raised. To avoid this exception, you can use the second argument of the next function, which specifies a default value if the generator is exhausted. In this example, if the generator is exhausted, the string generator is exhausted will be assigned to value 4. In this tutorial, you've learned how to create a simple generator function and how to retrieve values from it one at a time using the next function. This approach is useful when dealing with large datasets or when you want to generate values on the fly without storing them in memory. ChatGPT